Welcome to my Ramadan series Test Kitchen Episode 1. I have decided on testing new recipes every day, and the ones that are going to be nice are going to make it to my menu. Today, we're making my version of brookies. Brookies is basically a form of brownies and cookies combined together. So if you're indecisive of having a cookie or a brownie, you can actually have both. The recipe and all of the directions are going to be mentioned in the description. वैसे कोई इतना ख़ास फ़र्क पड़ना नहीं था कि मैं पहली चीज़ कौन-सी बनाऊँ बिकॉज़ both of them had to be in the same time. Honestly, मैं इतनी confident नहीं थी about this recipe because I was trying this for the first time. But ironically, this turned out really good. I'm gonna be very rough and tough with these recipes. There are gonna be no rules. But I understand I have a little bit of a leverage because I bake on a daily basis and I know अगर मैं कोई ingredient को इधर-उधर करती हूँ, then how is it gonna really react? Again, I'm going to be posting the recipe and the ingredients in the description. But if you're someone who's lazy, you can definitely order these. Even at this given stage, I wasn't really confident on how this is going to turn out. But that was a risk on my friends because they are going to be the first ones to try it. Allah ka naam leke maine isko oven mein dala and it was done in no time. I want you to listen to the crisp now. My mom was the first person to try these and she absolutely loved them. Even though she's not a big fan of chocolate, but she definitely went for a second bite. Hi, quick little update. मैं अपनी दोस्त के घर पहुंचाने जा रही हूँ हमारा पहला experiment. We'll see what she has to say about it. I do have very high hopes. Let's see. ये लीजिए रिव्यू दे दीजिएगा इफ्तार के बाद.
Hey babes, I just had the brookies you made. मैं इफ्तारी से ज़्यादा ब्रूकीज़ के लिए एक्साइटेड थी बिकॉज दे लुक्ड सो टेम्पटिंग और मैंने खजूर से रोज़ा खोल के सबसे पहले मैंने ब्रूकी खाई है एंड आई स्वेयर दे वर डिलिशियस 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 स्क्रम्शियस नम 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 यम आई लव यू थैंक यू
Hello, Ariba. The brookies were so good. Or like I had it in my iftar, and now I will enjoy it with my chai. गरम करके बहुत बहुत मज़े की थी. It was actually so like balanced, मीठा बिल्कुल balanced.